recording.
I feel it.
You feel it? She's going to sneeze. Now watch. Now that she's on camera, she's not going to. Hello.
Here, I'll give a demonstration of what happened once. You know this? With book.
You want me to get a book so you can do it again?
No.
Reenactment?
It hurt. I was gonna go with this. I'm like, oh crap, I have to sneeze. Oh, well, it shouldn't be that bad. I sneezed. For some reason, I shut the book. The edge of the book smacked me in the middle of the forehead. My legs flew up about this high, and then I flopped on the side. So pretty much it was...
Yeah, that's how she sneezes. She explodes.
Well, until I sneezed, and I was like...
Yes, she looked like a dinosaur. I witnessed this.
Like, why am I a dinosaur? And I ended like this, and I'm like...
Really?
Why
does my mommy have to make good choices?
I smacked myself in the head with my knee, and it hurt.
Why did my mommy have to make good choices? I'm like, Mommy, bring me my pain pills. I need them. And she's like, no, I'm drunk. I'm not driving.
Oh.
And she said to go in your medicine cabinet and find the most badass aspirin I can find and take two.
Wow.
I'm
good mothering skills.
My head.
Dang it, I wish I was recording that! She just coughed and fell off the chair.
My back!
Oh, are you okay?
Oh my god. And there go my knees.
Well, she's laughing, so she's okay.
Cough again. Do it.
Oh. Oh my goodness. She's like a fish out of water. Oh. Don't laugh. It's not funny.
I can't laugh. It'll make me
Oh.
I want to sneeze.
You want to sneeze?
I want to get me on camera. I've never seen me.
Oh goodness. Are you okay?
There's my inhaler.
Oh, be careful, please. You sure? Don't pass out.
I hit my head. I'm